Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. I'm making my favorite pasta. I'm making bucatini today, and I'm doing a bucatini with basil and tomato with breadcrumbs on top. There's no specific name to this, it's just my favorite pasta, some toasted breadcrumbs that I had from a leftover sourdough loaf, leftover tomatoes because it's the end of tomato season, end of summer, and same with some fresh packed basil. So really is a farewell to summer pasta. It's super tasty, tons of things you could just find in the grocery store. And enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we got our ingredients here. So I have some pasta, about 1 pound. You can use dried if you want. We have half a loaf of sourdough bread, some leftover tomatoes, chili flakes here, an onion. I got some garlic, Parmesan, and basil. Wow. We have an onion that I'm going to dice up. I also have about 6 cloves of garlic. Again, I love the garlic. We're going to chop that up. We're going to add and dry out our sourdough bread in 400 degrees. We're going to chop that up, mince that up in our food processor. Same thing with the tomatoes. We're going to grate our Parmesan cheese. Nice healthy glug of extra virgin olive oil, adding in our alliums there, so our diced onions and garlic, and a very, very healthy amount of red hot chili flakes because I love it spicy, adding in our fresh pureed tomato there, and then bring the heat to medium. We're going to go ahead and give that a stir there until it's nice and aromatic in the air. It's going to smell super good. I'm making bucatini pasta from fresh that you can go ahead and just use dry. So in a pot of boiling salted water, we're going to go ahead and cook our pasta until it is done. Back to our sauce. It's now in low heat. We're going to add our red wine, some fish sauce, which is my secret ingredient, starchy pasta water, and then once our pasta is cooked, adding that directly right into the pan. And then we're going to go alternate between the grated cheese and that starchy pasta water until you get the right consistency. Really up to your preference there, but as you can see, alternating back and forth. Turn off the heat on that bad boy, and then we're going to bring it back to our basil, which I have a lot of fresh basil here. Pile that on top, and then we're going to slice it up, chiffonade. Add that into our pasta and give it a bit of a toss, just like so. And lastly, add those sourdough breadcrumbs. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!